Here is the question: how to fix problems in life. Here are some thoughts. The problems are part of life and we find the solutions based on the problems we face. Sometimes we feel problems as we breathe, walk, and talk, but the problems are not really problems until they impact us and become the source of our concerns to handle. When we don't learn how to handle problems properly, it may likely hit hard on us to block the progress to the full potential of life. From that perspective, never allow your challenges and difficulties to stop you from fulfilling true potentials in life. Realize that manageable problems are what make life worth living, but you need the courage to accept that. You must become bigger than your problems to solve any problems. Here are some ways to fix problems in life. Number one, the problems of basic human needs. Even though many organizations have been working to eradicate poverty in the world to fulfill the basic human needs, it is still growing day by day. Hence, the world must come together as one to solve this problem. Without fulfilling the basic human needs, in the first hand, peace cannot be created in the community, society, country, and the world. Number two, financial problem. People feel stressed due to financial problems. People lose their jobs and businesses and face financial problems. Worrying about financial problems won't solve the problems by itself. Hence, one needs to think about how to survive until the finance becomes stable. One way to look at is to save money on unnecessary things, which is equivalent to make money. Number three, health problem. Most health problems are created due to the lack of maintenance, proper exercise, diet, sleep, negative thinking, stress, anxiety, and consuming a lot of junk foods. The best way to resolve health problem is to care in a timely manner, eat healthy food, exercise both mentally and physically, and be grateful for this God-gifted life. Number four, family problem. It is created due to a lack of good communication, how things are being conveyed and understood by others. It is important to be realistic and keep the line of communication open. Talk about challenges with your partner and find a common ground. If the relationship is not good, don't assume that it will get fixed by itself. It needs to have a good dialogue with mutual love and respect. This will create, maintain, and boost up a healthy relationship. Number five, work problem. You may find numerous toxic people at work. When you deal with them, deal professionally and demonstrate kindness and some respect to avoid personal confrontation. If things are not understood clearly, you have the right to ask the appropriate question for clarity. Number six, social problem. Society itself is not a problem. The real problem is with negative and cynical people who run society. Sometimes society can be a great source of inspiration and can influence people by demonstrating positive attitudes and actions that will give others an opportunity to grow as well. When we put the quality of our talent into perspective, we will create more coherence within the community, society, country, and the world. I hope you find this information helpful. It all begins with you. Thank you very much.